What is going on? I am back again with another one, and today I have another Jordan 1 for you. These are the mids. The official colorway is black gym red sail, and if you haven't read the box already, I'm sure you can tell from the box this is a women's release. But do I care? I don't give a fuck. I bought them because of the colorway, and here they are, the gym red pandas. Now, why are they called the gym red pandas is because the entire sneaker is basically the panda colorway except of one color, and that being red, the gym red to be exact. But yeah, I mean, here are the sneakers themselves. As you can see, it is basically the panda with the added red and sail. Now, the quality, I'm going to tell you guys about the quality first because it really surprised me. You basically have tumbled leather on the mid. I mean, wrap your head around that. You know, it's tumbled leather, man. When was the last time we seen tumbled leather on the mid? I don't know. I mean, recently, I just can't remember. The recent ones I bought were just shit. Plastic like leather, if you will. Horrible. But the reason I actually bought these is because of the midsole. I just thought it looked really cool with the sail and the red. You know, you have this sail midsole, you have the black leather. I mean, all is like every panel you touch just feels nice. It feels good. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel plasticky like we've seen previously on the Jordan 1 mids or the lows. Nah, man, this is good. This really surprised me. It really took me by surprise. Yeah, you got some, you know, quality control issues here and there, but you know, these are general release shoes. These are these things are expected. Okay, I mean, we can't sit here and cry about it. But if there was one thing I could change, man, just one thing, that would be the f***ing tongue. I absolutely hate the tongue on the mids, on the lows. On the women's releases, you have this sort of tag stitched on the tongue on the mids. I don't know what that's about. It just... Bro, why can't we have the OG tongue on all these releases? Why? Why? I mean, give me a reason, man. I mean, look at this tongue. If there's one reason for me not to get this shoe, it will be the tongue. I absolutely hate it. I don't know why. I hate the quality on these tongues. I hate the embroidered Jumpman logos. I hate the tag that's stitched on. I just hate I hate the entire look. I mean, the entire sneaker just looks good, and then you see the tongue, it just makes it look cheap. I don't know if that's possible, but the tongue makes these sneakers look fake. I mean, that's the way I see it. Okay, it is what it is. I don't know if you guys been to Turkey recently, but I have. And I'll see some dodgy looking Air Jordan 1s with a very similar tongue, and it just keeps reminding me of that. You know, it's just, it's not pretty. Okay, let's just put it that way. It is not a pretty look. But the rest of the sneaker, man, it is beautiful. The colorway, the red, the sail, the black, the white really goes well together. Yeah, man, I'm really liking it. I can't fault it, except the tongue, of course. I really cannot. The quality took me by surprise, and yeah, man, I can't recommend it enough. If you can, just forget about the tongue, and if you like the mids, this is a definite must cop, in my opinion. Now, carrying on with the on feet. Yeah, what can I say? It's the Jordan 1. It is comfortable to a certain extent. A few hours per day, you know, you're golden. But anything after that is just... I mean, just looking back at this video, obviously I can tell that the cargos were not the good choice for these sneakers. They don't look good, in my opinion. But you know, happens, and I hope I'm not making this sneaker look worse for you guys. But yeah, I mean, don't let my cargos put you off, man. That's all I can tell you. These are not to be judged by my cargos, okay? But just for a recap, you know, like I said, if you are into the Jordan 1 mids, and if you don't mind the tongue, these are a must cop in my opinion. So unfortunately this is a women's only release, so anyone with a size 10 or over, it man, I mean, sorry, you know, like, you're gonna have to miss out on this. You're gonna have to miss out on this release because Nike has done it again. This is the sort of colorway that you can't just release for women's, man. I mean, this should be unisex. This should be available for men's and women's sizes. In my opinion, of course, because I really dig this colorway. I think it looks fantastic. I think, but you know, they decided to go for women's only, and yeah, here we are. You know, no problem for me. Obviously, I'm a size 7.5 UK. You know, it's just people with bigger feet are gonna have to miss out on this fantastic release. Especially now that we're having, you know, leather like this, quality like this. It's just a bit, you know, a situation, if you will. But yeah, guys, I mean, that's it. That is it for today. If you have any questions, do let me know below. And I will see you on the next one.